Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to transform my old phone cover into a brand new one. For this I am using decoupage technique. By using a decoupage napkin, you can give a beautiful look to your anything. Before using this napkin, I gave 2 coats of acrylic color on my phone cover. Don't use scissors to cut this napkin, you just have to use a brush with water. Remove the 2 layers from it. To paste it on my phone case, I am using podge glue. Apply a thin layer of it on the surface. And put the single layer of paper on it. As it becomes very thin, you have to handle it very carefully. Let it dry completely. Again I am going to give a 1 coat of podge glue on it. To hide the edges of the paper, I am giving a dabbing effect with the help of sponge and acrylic colors. Now give a finishing touch to the flowers and the petals. Guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing it and press the bell icon to get notified. Once it is dried, don't forget to give a coat of varnish at the end. In the second DIY, I am using the same technique. I just changed the colors and I change the decoupage napkin. In this DIY, I am covering the whole part of the phone cover. Very important thing I forgot to mention, when you cut the paper, you have to cut it with the help of your hands. We don't require fine edges of the paper. I bought these decoupage napkins from the Itsy Bitsy store. Don't worry about the extra paper, we can remove it later. Don't forget to highlight the shapes because it will enhance the beauty of your design. Dear friends, if you like this video, do let me know in the comment section below. Stay home, stay safe, and keep creating. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.